Hey, we all know car mods can make your ride faster, handle better, or cook you a meal. What? Is that Korean barbecue, but some modifications? They exist for one reason only, to flex. Not to chase lap times, not to improve reliability, just to make people turn their heads and say, damn, this nerd is a total dude magnet. You are watching Turbo Itchy. We'll dive into the best attention-grabbing mods, because our parents never gave us the love we wanted. Let's start with the banger. Underglow. It adds a powerful 0 horsepower, but 10,000 eyeballs per hour staring at your ride. They cost next to nothing on Amazon, are easy to install, and can sync with your collection of crappy music. Why stop with just the outside? You can add interior LED strips to completely transform your car into a Christmas tree. Now, your car is brighter than my future. To finish off the look, get a Starlight headliner. Rolls-Royce charges thousands, but you can buy it yourself from Amazon for a lot less. Now, every time you look up, you can wish upon a star for someone, anyone that will swipe right on Tinder for you. Okay, you'll get some haters calling you a ricer, but rice is the most eaten food in the world. That's how popular you are. Speaking of food, this next mod, well, the only thing you are flexing is your room temperature IQ. Fish tank hood. Yeah, real live fish, and sometimes even a crab chilling on your hood. It's creative, it's cruel. Stick with horsepower, not fish power. Peak stupidity. Okay, back to proper flex mods. This next one will make the earth shake, babies cry, and everyone checking you out. It's called two-step. This machine gun sounding mod was originally intended to be used as launch control, but the only thing it launches now is your status as the coolest nerd at car meets. It sets a second limiter lower down the revs so you can launch off the line with maximum grip. Don't want to mess with the rev limiter? Get a burble tune instead. Still loud as a duck? Get nerds clapping and your neighbors complaining. Why stop with just the noise? Tune the feel rich enough and you can start BBQing hot dogs for your 1 million followers that love your ride. 1 million? I am jelly. Share the love and subscribe so I can be as cool as you. Flames are cool, but that's just beginner level. To be the alpha nerd at car meets, get colored flame paste. This stuff changes the color of your exhaust flames. Blue, green, purple, pink, heck. Do a different color for each exhaust tip. Okay, enough about exhaust. What if you just want to flex your tasteful music collection? You might ask, how many speakers do you need? Yes. If your car is not shattering windows and breaking the laws of physics, you don't have enough speakers. There are car shows and competitions just for these builds. That means a dedicated space for you to impress some hairy humans. Moving on. Whoever said money can't buy happiness never owned a wide-body kit car. Car nerds are obsessed with body kits, especially wide ones. We like them thick. People pay this man Akira Nakai to fly across the world just to watch him hat up their car and glue a wide-body kit on. Very extra and gets you all the street cred. And hey, you can fill your empty wallet with all the simps lining up to take selfies with your car. I ain't kidding about their wallet. Some wide-body kits cost as much as a car, and that's before installation costs. Some of my favorite body kit brands are Liberty Walk, Rocket Bunny, Voltex for the S2000, and RE Amamiya for the FD. Next up, big wangs. Wings add downforce, but let's be real. You don't care about that. You only care about how many bays will slide into your DMs. It's 0. If a massive wing isn't enough to help compensate, get an active one that helps you brake, reduce drag, and inflates your ego. If all these aero parts are not enough for you to become a true peacock, get them all in carbon fiber. Nothing says I'm richer than you like a car covered in carbon weave patterns. Moving on, car wraps. Wraps are the perfect mod for people who can't commit, either in relationships or color choices. What's not to love? They hide scratches, protects paint, and can flex your anime waifu to your friends. These waifu builds are called itasha, which in Japanese translates to painful car. If you've ever seen one, know that the owner is proud, bald, and single. No up-badging, no fake parts, just 100% 2D love, because they know their waifu will never cheat on them. Give him a bro fist. Respect. Let's keep going. Because your dates these days have expectations that are out of touch with reality, you need to show them something exotic to really impress them. Lambo doors, the classic flex mod that will never die. Every Civic owner has thought, yo, what if my doors opened up instead of out? Think of how many aura points that is. There are many Lambo door kits out there, so you'll find one that is compatible with your car, but they ain't cheap. Rice or nice? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. We are already this far in. If you are gonna be a rice farmer, be the very best, like no one ever was. Here are mods that will make you internet famous, but only if you have real thick skin. Fig hood scoops and vents. Will it make your car as iconic as the STI? Hell no! But if I see you on the street, I'll share pictures of you on my channel. Now, here's the easiest way to be internet famous. Channel membership is now live. Sign up to get an itchy badge next to your comments and shoutouts like this one in all future videos. Let's keep going. Can't afford Brembos? No problemo. Just install these fake brick covers and maybe, just maybe, no one will notice. Are you a nerd with many talents? Show off your other hobbies with stickers. I'm sure the ladies are already very impressed and can't stop talking about you. If slapping these mods on your car makes you stand taller and happier, good for you. That's confidence I'll never have. Okay, I get it. You are rich and you want the whole world to know it. So what do? You don't buy a new car. You rip the heart out of your current one and give it a transplant. That's right, an engine swap. The ultimate flex that says, I love how you look, but don't like who you are. Whether it's a V8 Miata, Ferrari-powered 86, or even a Tesla battery swap 370Z. Anything you can imagine, you can make real. With a lot of cash. Next up, you've heard of the United Nations, Fire Nation, and my favorite, Procrastination. But the coolest nation is Stance Nation. They are all about wheel fitment. Whether you like it flush, tucked, or slammed to the floor, it's about turning your car into a work of art. There are massive communities and car meets built around Stance. They aren't about chasing lap times. They chase how many times their post is liked. Because getting maximum validation from strangers on the internet is the best way to fill the emotional hole your parents gave you. For the nerds that are a player of the slammed culture, every driveway and speed bump feels like a boss battle. One wrong angle and boom, your splitter just took a critical hit. No potions here to heal it. But fear not, with enough money, you can install air suspension. Basically airbags that lift or drop your car at the push of a button. Go really hard and you can even make your car twerk, bounce, or jump like you're playing Super Mario. There are many ways to love a car. Some people want their car to be fast, and some people just want the world to know they exist. What's your favorite flex mod that you're ashamed to admit you love? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe or people will start unfollowing your Instagram. You've been warned.